better. So much better.
Mission not accomplished.
Never boom and make it boom.
How does anyone find that funny? I mean, seriously, how does anyone find that funny? If you laughed at it, there's something seriously wrong with you.
What is the matter with you? We don't light up any fireworks inside, or you lost your mind. That's when some people are charged with a crime. And that's why you need a serious criminal attorney who knows the criminal system to fight for your case. Call now for your free consultation.